Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel, Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. So, guys, today in this video, I'm going to share video on specimens of animals. Specimens means a sample of a substance or a material for examination or study. Okay. To study about their structures, these specimens were used. And these all are preserved in a glass jar and filled with a formalin liquid. So because using of this liquid, the specimens will not be spoiled and they can be preserved for longer time. Okay, and in this video we're going to see different and lots of different shades of animals. Okay, now we are showing you the snake with a double colored snake, and this is a spider. These all animals were well arranged in a glass jar so that we can see them easily and we can know their structure perfectly. And this is one leeches, a bigger one, and mostly here lots of worms are there, different types of worms. I don't know their names, but they are so beautiful to see. And this is a life process of frog, and this one is green chameleon. And that chameleon tongue also came out. You can see very clearly. And this one is a grasshopper. And now this one is a sponge and mantis. And I think this one is a beetle or cockroach. Something is there, but I can't see clearly. And this one is a red chameleon. And this one is a lionfish with a white body structure it has, and some beetle is there in this. And now this one is a cockroach. And in this jar, another jar is there. In that some animal is there, but I don't know what was that. And this one is a hydra. And you can see the most dangerous nowadays, but it looks so cute here, the bat. It is a dry specimen. And now this is a garden snake. Yeah, now you can see the different stages of a frog and different stages of a mosquito, different stages of a housefly. Like this, there are lots of life processes. Different animals were preserved here. And this one is a lizard. The lizard was so huge here. And these are the life process of a mosquito, housefly. And this is the life process of a caterpillar, means a butterfly. These small animals also, they were arranged in a proper way so that we can see it very clearly. It was so much well organized in this small jar. This is a lizard which was so huge. So here we can see the frog eggs, the external gills, tadpoles, limbs and the huge frog. So much clearly we can see. And this is a bat. Again I am showing you the sponge and jellyfish. And you can see the live specimens of a rat. Our friends were so playing with that specimens. And this is a liverwort. The beautiful seahorse is here. That was so beautiful. I think from all of these specimens, this seahorse is so cute and so tiny also. It looks so beautiful. And here different types of fishes also there here. And lionfish already I saw you. Different structures it has. The fishes are so much are there, and there are lots of differences were there in that fishes. And the snails. And now you can see the fishes. Now this one is dry specimens. One jar is filled with dry fishes and aquarium animals, water animals, and this one is a wet specimen. So you can see the dry specimens of fishes. And now in this jar you can see the wet specimens like of fishes, lobster also there, the bigger one. Our friends used to call these wet specimens of fishes is like a pickle, fish pickle they called as. Liverwort. And this is a fresh marine something is there, it is. And different types of fishes. And this one is octopus. No, it is a squid. And now this one is a bee. Again some animal is there, I don't know their name. And here also in that jar some animal is there, but I don't know whether it is seeing in this video or not. And now this is a small crab. See, these many specimens are there. And it is a frog. एक्चुअली इसका स्किन पूरा निकाल दिया यहाँ. And this one is an octopus. Say cheese to my octopus. So these all are our specimens of animals there in our bio lab. They are so good, means they look so beautiful to see. This is our bio lab actually. You can see how we friends are playing with that specimens. Me and Arpita was so enjoyed in that time. See, we used to take that larger animals like chameleon, lizards, snakes, and we used to see very nearly. We used to go and we used to catch that, and it just look so beautiful to see. And as a biology student, we have to enjoy these animals, right? Seeing of these animals. So I hope you like this video, right? Comment this if you also having this type of biology lab with this many specimens, or whether you see these specimens before or not. You just comment me. So guys, these are the different specimens of rat, lionfish, and frogs, crabs, octopus, squids, snakes, lizards, bees, fishes, and so many are there, like sponges and worms, frogs, houseflies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, turtles. Like there are different types of specimens. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and relatives, and comment this video how much you like and if you ever seen this before or not. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And till then, stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.